When a storm hits, there isn't time to shop for supplies. If power is out, many services, ATMs, and card machines may be down, so prepare your emergency kit before a storm hits. There's many things you can include. Here's some essentials. Battery-operated radios and flashlights are a must, and don't forget batteries in many sizes. Be sure to have a cell phone charger and even a rechargeable power bank. A 3-day supply of water is recommended. You'll need at least 1 gallon of water per person per day. Store water in food-grade plastic containers for drinking. You'll also need water for other personal needs. It can be from a filled bathtub or bucket. Your kit should include 3 days of non-perishable food that doesn't require refrigeration or preparation. And don't forget the non-electric can opener. For tips and resources for preparing for emergencies, visit Storm Central on PWC's website.